Hello everyone, today I'm installing the mirror again on the M3 because I was able to open the door. So first off, pulling the tape off the holes that'll be used to mount the mirror. Just a little bit of fiddling. Don't want to slam the door against the trailer, would be counterproductive. Rubber seals in place, get the screws out of the mirror. Well, bolts actually, not screws. A little bit of jiggling, a little bit of fiddling, and it's on. Just don't want it to fall off. That would also be very counterproductive. Fitting one of the screws just to hold it in place whilst I try to fit the other screw. Do excuse the footage. Filming in POV is not very easy, as well as me having to do a voiceover for this clip because the audio that was recorded with this video is so trash due to all the wind noise that I opted to do a little voiceover. It's how it is. The rubber seal's already in place. That seals the port to the connector, which is nice. You can also see there's some tabs on there. It also helped make it easy to pull the rubber seal through. Moving to the inside so that I can switch the screw to a different hole so that it holds the mirror in place better, because it's still kind of falling out, as you can see. I also only have 3 screws, which is not a big deal. Just have to source another one. You can only buy them in packs of 6, I've already checked, which is fine. Then I just have a few other screws. And if I wanted to replace all the screws for the mirrors, which I don't see a reason for, I could if I wanted to, but there's no point. That's snugly in place. Get the bottom one up as well. I'll put the door card and all the trim pieces back another time, because I'm still having to figure out the actuator issue with the door being plugged in, or the door handle being plugged in. So plug in the connector, and that's it.